Hello, my friend. So, I was kind of putting all these together and I just kind of started thinking about all the projects I've got going on at once, as far as models go. That does not include the honey-do list and the projects I have going on outside. Um, but I was just kind of curious, maybe if you guys could post a video, and I was just kind of curious how many models do you have going on at one time? I love to build multiple models. And so, because what I'll do is I'll jump around from one to the next. I get kind of tired of one, I'll jump on the next one, or maybe that one's the paint's drying on something, so I'll jump back on this one. And then, the paint will be dry, so then I'll jump back on that one. And then I may look over here, and oh, I forgot I needed to update that interior. And and it just goes on and on. So I'm curious, how many do you guys have going on, and what are they? Model related. I mean, I'm sure all of us have 150 different things going on at once. I've also got just tons waiting in the wings. Corvette, another Corvette. Let's see. Roadrunner. Put that there. That's going to get this racing suspension. And then, for some reason, I still have a lot of these Corvettes to restore. There's this one. Got a Ring and Vet. I'm not sure. I haven't really done much studying on that one. And then this one, which is that weird one. If you look at Gary over at Hanging with Mr. G Seeds, he did this one. It just turned out beautiful. It's a custom pickup, and I don't think I have all the parts to it, but I got quite a few of it. So that won't be building up, and I'll be doing all these this year, I hope. At least that's what I have in my head. So anyway, yeah, post a video. Let's see what you got going on. And I'm Jerry, and I'm signing off. Thanks for watching.